Well, that's full speed right there. You can tell it's trying to maintain the head pressure. It's definitely noisier outside than inside, which is a great thing. And it sounds like we're getting caught up. Now I have noticed this condenser fan. This is the side that rejects the heat to the atmosphere. The evaporator is the side on the inside of the camper under the roof that absorbs the heat from the space, transfers it through the refrigerant, expels the heat out right here. So I got it in turbo mode, and I don't think it's real happy yet because it's a small room that it's running. So I think I'm going to open the rest of the camper door up. I'm going to open the bedroom and just see what it does to the whole chassis. It won't hurt anything, but I'll show you what it looks like from a distance.